I'm a big fan of using content to drive traffic to your site. But it is a slow process. Think about it. You have to strategize, create, and then publish content. That takes days to make, and then it takes weeks or even months to show up in search engines. On the other hand, advertising is almost immediate. You still have to strategize and create the ads, but they're typically approved that day, and they could immediately reach thousands of people, or even more if you have the budget. Not only that, but you aren't just getting in front of a random 1,000 people, they're usually more targeted. How you target will depend on the advertising platform, but there are two broad categories. Intent marketing, which is all about marketing to people based on actions that they've taken. The best example of this is when someone types in buy yoga pants into a search engine like Google, you can serve them an ad about where to buy those pants. Psychographic marketing, which is marketing to people based on who they are and what they do. The classic example is a Facebook ad targeting people who like certain interests. They might not be looking to buy yoga pants right now, but they are likely to want yoga pants at some point, so you put your ad in front of them. Both of these strategies work, but they're very different, and you should probably try both approaches. Generally speaking, intent-based marketing is a more direct way to a sale, but it also works a lot better for simple products, or products that can be purchased on impulse. As an example, if I'm looking for a screwdriver, I don't generally read a lot of reviews. I just find the cheapest screwdriver with decent reviews, and if you want to sell that product, an intent-based ad will work great on me. While I'm a fan of intent-based marketing, I'm more likely to use psychographic-based marketing to test and refine my marketing message. And that's because psychographics let you target the right person, even if they're not looking to buy your product right now at this second. I wrote 10 headlines and found or created 10 images. I combined the headlines and images and made some ads and tested them. Which of these 6 ads do you think performed the best? Pause this video for a second, think about it, and take a guess. The answer is number 4, in the bottom left, which shows the components of the game. People really wanted to see inside the box. The headline was okay, and you could keep iterating on that and testing different variations. But from the actual data, I know that this image far outperformed the others and got me the most newsletter signups. If we take a look at my campaign page and take a look at the first image I share, you'll see that it's the exact same overhead shot of the components. So running ads can get you a ton of useful information about what resonates and doesn't resonate with your audience, and it can build a list of interested customers or send people directly to your site to make a purchase. If you can create a series of ads that lead to a landing page on your site, which then lead to actual sales, and you can do this while making more money than you spend, that is the best case scenario and what most store owners dream of. Ads can be incredibly powerful for store owners. They are, however, expensive. So if you really want to get into them, you should check out some of the courses in the library about online advertising to see which platform you might want to experiment with and the best way to do so.